number 12 is very similar to number 11, where we do not know what x is, and we don't know what these two expressions are individually. But we do know that if we add them up, they have to be equal to 90 degrees. So 5x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 has to be equal to 90 degrees. And again, you don't really need to write the parentheses. So I want to combine like terms. This will be 8x plus 10 is equal to 90. Subtract 10, and then divide both sides by 8, and we get x is equal to 10. So then x is not our answer. They want to know what the measure of each angle is, so we need to plug that into both of these expressions. So 5 times 10 plus 5 and 3 times 10 plus 5. And we get 55 degrees and 35 degrees.